Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most useful topic in Selenium and Java, which is how to read the data from the property file. So let's get started. And the property object contains a key and key value pairs in a string format, and it can be used to get the property value based on the property key. And property class provides the method to get data from the property file and store the data into the property file. And if there is any change in the property file, we no need to recompile the Java class. It can be used to store the information and which can be changed frequently. So we no need to rerun and compile the entire property file. So we can use any change in the data file. And these are the two methods that we are going to use to design this property file scenario. So we required the property file method and load, and it can create an empty property list with no default values. And the load, it is used to load the file input stream. So let's jump into our Eclipse. So I have a Maven project. I have created a folder properties. Under that I am storing a property file, and in this property file I have a three different values, which is a username, password and the URL, and with the key values. And I have a source SRC test Java. I will create a class from here, class name as property demo, and I need to use a new package. I can use demo package. We need a main method. Click on finish. Now before we create a properties instance, we need to create a file input stream. For that we need a file reader from Java in IO, and reader as a reference, new file reader and file location. So we need to provide the property files location. Go to the property file and right click on it, go to properties. Under that properties you can take the folder name and the property files, and provide the location in the file reader. And it will ask us to import, throw some exceptions. So hover on this and throws file not found exception. Now I will create a properties instance, properties from Java utils, and provide the reference, new properties. Yeah. Now we have properties file reference and file reader reference for using an input file stream. And using this properties, I will try to load this file reader. So under that we have a mini method. So properties has different methods. So now I am using one of them, which is a load and file reader, and it will ask us to declare some throws. So which is IO exception. Now we have done with our initial configuration. Now we need to call those property values into our Java code. So let me see what all values we have in the properties file again. So we have username, password and URL, and let me copy the property name. I wanted to print this property name in the console, system.out.print, and here under print we need to provide a values. So values like pro.get property. So we have a get property method under this properties, and we need to provide the key name, which is a username. So save that program and quickly run our program. So here we got the key value. We have provided key and we got the key value here. And if you go to our property file, see, this is the key value. So I can change this key value to demo properties and save the program, save it and come back here and rerun again. See, it's now printing the demo.properties. So this is how we read the property values from the property file using a properties method and a file reader. So we'll try to use now different property, that is a URL. Just copy the key, and I wanted to, if you wanted to store this in a string, I can like store in a string. I can provide string URL, and URL I can get the pro dot get property and property as a string, and under that I can provide this URL. Now my property URL will be getting under to the string URL. I can use this URL string to call my URL, or my I can call the website, or I can just directly print. For now, you this out, and under that I can provide this URL. I can write some customization, like I am fetching the URL from the property file, and here I can append this URL. Let's quickly run this program and see the results. See, this is how we can fetch the data from the property file. I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more latest videos. If you have any questions, please do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.